To begin the process, make sure you retract all jacks to the fully retracted position. This will eliminate the retract pressure inside the jacks. Next, go to the set of jacks that are affected by the symptoms. Find the lead jack in the set and remove the 2 extend fittings. Now, go to the manual mode on the touch panel and press and release the retract button, making sure you hear the bidirectional motor turning on to retract the jacks every time you press the button. If you see excess fluid running from the fitting, you know that the seals are worn or damaged and the fluid is leaking from the retract side to the extend side, and that's the jack that needs to be replaced. If it doesn't leak, you know it's the other one.